Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application, and after opening the application, you will see Monopoly Go's board. Here, you'll have to simply search for a three-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen. So click on this three-lined icon and you will see Shop, Net Worth, Showroom, Map, Board, Join Us and Settings icon that is represented by a gear icon at the bottom. Click on Settings and you will see these volume options, language, notifications and a Manage Account button at the bottom. So you will see this Manage Account button that will be in green color. Click on this button and you will see this page where you will see a disconnect icon after Facebook, Google Play Games and new subscription and account deletion. So I have connected my Facebook account to my Monopoly Go ID. That's why I'm saying the option to disconnect. So if you want to sign out of Monopoly Go, simply click on the disconnect option here, select disconnect again. Click on disconnect here also and click on OK. After you click on disconnect after both of these services, you will have to simply close your application and open Monopoly Go again. So if you're seeing disconnect button after this Google Play icon, as you can see, it says to stop using Google Play game service, please go to Google Play settings in your device settings. So what we'll do is navigate to Google Play games. As you can see, I can see Monopoly Go just right here. And if you don't see this, simply click on the search icon and search for Monopoly Go. After this, click on See Details option. Here, you will see three-dotted icon at the top. Click on three-dotted icon, click on Settings and simply scroll down and choose Change Account for Games. You will see a list of games. Here, you'll have to simply click on Change after Monopoly Go and choose another account that you want to sign in with. Or you can simply click on Sign Out button and as you can see, I'm signed out of Monopoly Go. I will have to now go back to Monopoly Go application again and I'll be successfully logged out of my Monopoly Go games. Now I can choose another account to sign in with and get to play Monopoly Go again. So that's how you sign out of Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.